Now, I'm not sure if you've noticed, but you have to be extremely careful when using percentage number formats. When we type a number in a cell, followed by a percentage sign and press enter, Excel will recognize this and automatically apply the percentage number format to this cell. Now just think back to maths class. How do you write a percentage as a decimal? 100% is expressed as the whole number 1 or 1.00. So if we now change the format of this 5% cell to number format, we see that Excel now displays the cell value as 0.05. This is really important to keep in mind because if our value is reflected incorrectly because of how we have applied percentage formatting, we can end up with major calculation errors. What I mean by this is that if we enter the number 50 in a blank cell and then apply percentage formatting, you will see that the cell value displays 5,000% when we actually meant 50%. This is because Excel thinks that you have written your percentage in decimal form and converts it on this basis. Now, if we use 5,000% instead of 50% for any calculations, you can just imagine that our answers will be off by miles. We can avoid this situation in 3 ways. We can type the percentage sign after our number. We can apply percentage formatting to cells before entering percentages as numbers. Or we should remember to enter percentages in decimal form before applying percentage number formatting. Now, before we end, it's worth pointing out the other shortcut icons in the number section of the ribbon. The first 2 icons here are shortcuts to apply accounting and percentage formatting to cells in a single click. Use these 2 icons next door to increase the number of decimal points displayed for cells. If we click the decrease decimal icon once, highlighted cells will be displayed less 1 decimal place. Now the comma icon is a shortcut for separating thousands by commas. This is particularly useful when dealing with large numbers and makes them much easier to read. And that's a wrap. Mastering number formats is a major part of learning Excel. Applying number formats correctly helps us improve calculations and data analysis as well as the presentation of our spreadsheet. More importantly, it also ensures that we don't run into errors arising from inconsistencies or incorrect data formats. Now it's time to have a go at a mini challenge to practice working with number formats.